Rhythm of Stars, you can see me there, Adventure Records. Brand new year 2020, Scattered and BJ. Hansi Benito the magician. No, look at Alright, so what's the name of this brand new rhythm?
This one, Mika.
You're still thinking?
2020.
It's something fresh.
2020. Name Shalipa, watch his face.
Yo, welcome viewers, welcome to this wonderful, exciting Rhythm of Stars. If it is dancehall, it is Rhythm of Stars. Your host, Scattered and BJ, in case you don't know the thing set. This is a brand new year, we are talking about 2020. You don't know the thing set. Yeah, we are talking about Givenchy Records. And with me today, Dina Benito. Yo, Benito, greetings, wagwan.
Wagwan, my brother.
Yeah man. Munisego King. Nice, Benito. How's it going, man? Mango. Alright, Benito is a producer at Givenchy Records. So Benito is just going to tell us what he's been working on. So Benito, tell us. Mamchi Shanda Mango Mabi Baba.
Yeah, 2019 takashanda. Ende tichirudo shanda 2020 ndo kune mahwanacho ese. Zvota tikabudisa rhythm zviriro shooting star but still michikutendera zvekutoti kune vasati varinzwa ka. Getted garema gadzira nzeve because magetsi.
Shooting Star Rhythm. So tell us, Shooting Star Rhythm, which artists can we expect Vanema Fireworks for Shooting Star Rhythm?
Right, for Shooting Star, we've got whole artists. Tinema artists ma upcoming akaipa aripapo. Tuzeta ma big artists aripo. The likes of Jerry B, Preacher Man, Mad Viper, Middle Killer, Afriboy, Evergreen, Shaka Quality, kune ways anozodanta music ya. Ngambotsvaga amunza zvatinazo because 2020 mawani tine ma fireworks emunhu wese ngaone imba gospel dance museve chika R&B ipo kusvika kwese ka ndomboti kuno kuchimbosvika kuno 2020 muona zvada kuitira because 2020 mawani artist aramushana nawo ndamushana na Kina ndakambomurerawo ma singles collection ake funga ngari ne 11 12 but inani 6 kwakwa ndakamurerawo zvangu pama singles collection ake. Right now I'm working in a Squander album range on the Life Is You Buya the tracks futa aripapo watch out mawani. Yeah, I worked nana Raskele you know wakawanda vandashanda nawo. Nditi nema upcoming yedu atukushana nawo ipanapa Afriboy, Shaka, Evergreen, Genesius, you know vepanapa vandataura these ones vandataura upcoming acho avanganzi upcoming zvavanazo zvacho mahowani magedza na G-Wayne avakawanda vapere but still 2020 muchavanzwa zvenyu.
That's right. So we are just going to have a freestyle from a favorite artist from Givenchy Records.
Afriboy,
Get up and
a femme.
Wow!
Them girls them like this.
Givenchy Records!
Yeah, them girls them a send me vocals so sweet. And them a call me Afriboy, they king. If you love me, come and love me now. Give you the love right now. I'm a different from my fresh lad make a pose, baby, take a pic right. Me look at you that me love you, now me get that. We talk on the beat, we killing all the thing da. When at me, yeah, my mama happy now. Me are the baddest kid in the day. One of them is the only. One of the baddest kid.
don't know. Yeah, man, Mundara is there on the camera in case you don't. Yeah, you don't know the thing set. Yeah, Benito. Yeah, man, we see the place hot, man. Yeah, we turn it up now. 2020. Big Venture Records. Your last words for your fans. Your last words.
Yeah, no, Taylor music. I don't support of that. Tomorrow, MMG support the boys. Seriously, so dog band. Chuck Fazzy 2020. That is a party.
Yeah. So next week, Buru has Shiva. Buru
2020 Guru Mudanga Mazia. Remember, I said teamwork was a teamwork. Give Angel Records from long time, my brother.
Yes.
Long time.
Buru now we have to sing this.
We mad. Remember, I said
yeah, man. So, in case you don't know the thing set, yeah, your host, Scarlet and DJ, this is Rhythm Up Stars. Yeah, man, you watch it on our favorite channel, Pastor TV, YouTube. In case you don't know everything set, love this city.
Nicely. Sure.
Yeah, man, Givenchy family representing
Evergreen on the world. Respect to all our Rastas. Big up Givenchy Records and all of us who represent the same spot.
Yeah, man.
Remember this thing, dear father, eh? He wore about.
Remember, keep supporting Givenchy Records. Boom. 2020 we're there.